One of the things I've always wanted to do is to photograph manatees. But with manatees, there's a season in Florida in which you're most likely to see them, and that's in the winter. As the Gulf of Mexico cools down, these big aquatic mammals make their way from the open waters to the more confined but warmer waters of Crystal River. Believed to be the source of the mermaid legend, these gentle giants spend their time feeding and resting in fresh water until they return back to the Gulf in the spring. Using an underwater housing for my iPhone, I spent an incredible 2 hours snorkeling and photographing these gentle animals.